me, I'm cash out to me. When I go to my room, I'll do it.
They all in my lane, but we not the same. I've
I
been
think
on the
my
high road. I'm living on 10, I did it again. They don't know what I know. All of my soldiers, they've been riding with me. Came from the bottom, we made us a milli. Hop on the plane, wherever I land, I'm switching my time zone. I don't got a label, I've been independent. They not at my table, not touching my bread. And I did everything that I said I would. I've been a star, but I didn't go Hollywood. I'm in Miami for everything sunny. The woman be thicker, my nigga be muddy. And they used to laugh, but the only thing funny is when I be laughing my way, they go make a deposit. Want it, then I'ma go cop it. Not in amigos, but I'ma take off like a rocket. They want the cloud, but I want the money, they switching the topic. Are you not entertained? They've been on the bench, I've been in the game. Made a couple M's and I'm still the same. I won't ever change, got the same people from the early days, I'm gone. They all in my lane, but we not the same. I've been on a high road. I'm living on 10, I did it again. They don't know what I know. All of my soldiers, they've been riding with me. Came from the bottom, we made us a milli. Hop on the plane, wherever I land, I'm switching my time zone. They thought I was falling off, said I was finished. I'll never forget it, but they not forgiving. And I used to dream it, now I really live it. I'm climbing my way, I was down for a minute. I've been on do not disturb, my family good and I gave them my word. No matter what happens, I get what they're asking and let them know all of their future secured. You not in my pedigree, I'm coming for those who ahead of me. My story been written, I'm playing my role. Won't switch up my narrative, I'ma just let it be. I've been the goal, believe in myself when they won't. They think I'm cocky, I'm confident though. Made it this far, got a long way to go. And I've been looking down on the demons below. They all in my lane, but we not the same. I've been on a high road. I'm living on 10, I did it again. They don't know what I know. All of my soldiers, they've been riding with me. Came from the bottom, we made us a milli. Hop on the plane, wherever I land, I'm switching my time zone.
Enemy has dropped the bomb. Get ready for the next round.
We can win this.
Defend the objective. We have the bomb.
Yeah, I need a second to reflect on what I'm seeing in the news. I see weapons in a second, thoughts of people wearing blue. Clearly not though, hatred in their faces premeditated. We got phones recording moments proving some law enforcers are outlaws. I say so, not every cop abusing power, but look from outer perspectives and biasing and think about it. The way it looks is more corruption than rebuilding. So much killing, got me filling up with feelings. I've been concealing cause I'm afraid to say it wrong. But fuck it, this ain't about me. This about the people they got laying down, pleading, begging to breathe, pressing their knees.
Yo, them did a beat.
Even the devil sees this and contemplates therapy. Yes, that's why they see marching in these streets, screaming names of all the people that's not wrongfully deceased. That should never be this common at the arms of the police. Don't tell me your lives matter, all your arguments are weak. Tell me how you would feel if you got pulled over and missed the 12. Gets up out his car, he approaching and screaming loud. Roll the fucking windows down, if you don't then you know it's blouse. You peep the side mirror, he close and guns already out. What to do? I don't have any clue. Never had to fit a man that wears a badge to shoot. Shit is sad, but it's true, we need compassion. We do know more victims, let the past be the last thing we have to lose. I just wanna get away from the past, thinking about a life where there ain't no last. Feel like people scared of moving forward, so attached. So we can know it's wrong and some of us do get it mad. I don't wanna say I'm up, feel like I'd be wrong. Feel like it's been going on for way too long. Of course we gon' be fired up, we tired of seeing people have to fight for help. We got enough for it. Silent, don't be silent. If you are, you just stay silent. They can try to keep us quiet. They can't handle the one that's higher. Let me tell you what happened to me last night. I was with a few homies and had a drink around 9. At 11:30, I was trying to sleep. Said bye to the guys and their parents. I'm sober so I can drive. In the week now, heading home, pumping on release shit. Good vibes on the highway, I'm feeling free. Then boom, see the lights, red and blue all over me. Shit, something ain't right, but I pull off and I ain't creepy. He at my window, shining light up in my face. Had aggression in his tone before I even said a thing. He said, where you coming from and tell me how much did you drink? I told the truth, I said a beer out of solo cup from a keg. And he said, bullshit, exit the vehicle and let's talk. I complied and now I'm sitting on the hood of my car. Young dude, probably trying to make your name as a cop. I understand the game, but I couldn't believe it. Said, oh, he takes a pen out his pocket and told me, look at the cat. Austin, don't take your eyes off it, I'm talking to me in my head. He started moving and I'm glued to it, I know that I passed. He puts the pen away and said, I want you to take a few steps, go heel to toe, count them out. 9-4 forward and back. This on 287, so there's trucks and shit flying past it. Now I'm flawless, so I turn around and do 9 back. I see my car, his behind it, now 7 more behind his. Now I got all these pigs around me, felt like I was on a farm. Shoulders back and chest out, I could tell they trying to look strong. One comes over, turns me around after grabbing my arm, slaps the cuffs and does a search and finds nothing because they wrong. Still they left me in cuffs, even though I did nothing. Now he walks me to his car and I'm like, nah bro, a little shaky in my legs. I was nervous, I ain't faking. Started reading my Miranda's like Cosgrove. You under arrest for DWI. I said, huh? He said, son, don't make me have to say it twice. Then it hit me. At this point, I ain't even been breathalyzed. I'm in the car and he started driving, bumping in the whole ride. He was blasting it. Pull up to the station and I'm mad as shit. What's happening? Brings me to my cell and then he slammed the shit. My anger is through the fucking roof. My dude, imagine if you sober and get pulled over and this is where it lands you at. Talking to me through the cell, pressing me to tell him that I said more than I did, but the truth they wasn't having it. Want me to admit shit I ain't did cause they harassing me. In 2 hours the breathalyzer set up and they passed me it. Deep breath of fresh air, I exhale and waited. The results are printed, he stands there and reads it. He mad, I can't wait cause he has to say it. 0.00 bitch, it's what I've been saying, I told you. Now I'm free to go to homie Jordy pick me up. Shit, I'm on my way home and now my mind is going nuts. Moment to reflect, my thoughts too raw to openly discuss. But what I ask myself is valid though, so let me open up. What if I was black? What would've went differently? Tears, I'm holding them back. Cause I done told the cops the truth from the jump and they still harass. But then I think of all the videos I seen and now I have a first-hand experience that they would probably see and laugh. What they go through day to day is not comparable what happened to me. And the evidence is true, we all got access to see the Twitter videos they never show on actual TV. Hug the ones who love it, especially while you can. Know that no one is above, we all humans at the end. Different backgrounds is a blessing, teach each other what we can. If you listening, I love you and forever I'll be here. I just wanna get away from the past, thinking about a life where the hate don't last. Feel like people scared of moving forward, so attached to what they know is wrong, and some of us still get a badge. I don't wanna say more, I know that'd be wrong. Feel like this been going on for way too long. Of course we gon' be fired up, we tired of seeing people have to fight for help. We cried enough, oh yeah. Silent, don't be silent. If you want, you just as violent. They can try to keep us quiet, they can't hide from the one that's highest, no.
Well done. I'm hurt.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up. Destroy the objective. We got the bomb.
This for the ones too scared to do it. This for the ones too scared to try. This is the moment I told them was coming. My hoodie's on looking up to the sky. I knew this would happen. Remind me again what you thought I'd be. Keep your apologies. Step on the stage, I don't see any fans. All I see is a crowd like our family. The more I find myself being alone. The diamonds you got doesn't give you a throne. One day we all got a name on a stone. Put all my pain in a song. About to go off to get on. Pull up a show, then I'm gone. Told me I got it all wrong. Then why are you singing along, huh? Tell me what you know about a kid who had a dream and went and did it. Man, it's funny, everybody living safe has gotta have an opinion. I don't say a thing, I go and get it. If it isn't real, I never said it. If it's up to God, that's where I'm headed. If it's up to God, that's where I'm headed. Yeah, you don't get it, no one never did. We've been alone since we were little kids. Am I bitter from what we went through? Is it a lot to say a little bit? I told my team, let's go and get it. I told my girl, you don't gotta worry. I'm sick of making the same mistakes every day that I gotta bury. Yeah, maybe I could be the one. Who will I be when it's said and done? Yeah, fighting to overcome. My fear is saying, you gotta run. I put my pain inside a canvas. Come see a world that isn't as bright. The man inside the mirror is telling me, Ivan, you're losing your sight. Yeah. The bitter truth is the sweetest thing. They say be yourself but don't chase a dream. Showed them my music in hallways, they looked at me funny. You'll never be anything. Remember those moments like maybe I had it all wrong. Put all my pain into so many songs. Looking back now and I realize I needed that hunger for me to be strong. Living the life, am I living the lie?